Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and collecting parts. Power down and unplug your machine. Discharge static by touching the case. Open the chassis, locate an available PCIe slot or a motherboard USB 3.0 header, and verify you have the correct expansion card or adapter with any required Molex/SATA power lead. Once done, remove the slot cover and orient the card so the connectors align. Make sure connectors are accessible. Do not force the card in. Align and seat it evenly. You now install and secure the hardware. Gently push the card into the PCIe slot until it clicks, then fasten the rear bracket screw to stabilize it. Next, attach the card's power cable, Molex or SATA, if the card requires it. Lack of power causes non-detection. Route cables to avoid airflow obstruction and reattach the case panel so you can test ports quickly. Once the case is closed, reconnect power and peripherals, and boot to your operating system to proceed with driver setup. You finish by installing drivers and verifying operation. In Windows, run Windows Update or install the card maker's driver so the OS recognizes the USB 3.0 host controller. On Mac OS or Linux, use native support or vendor packages. Plug a USB 3.0 device and use a certified USB 3.0 cable. Look for Super Speed or Blue Insert to confirm 5 Gbps transfers. If ports don't work, reseat the card, try another PCIe slot, ensure the power lead is attached.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.